Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to bring you 10 ways to make websites faster. Whether you run your own website, or simply enjoy visiting sites on the internet, page speed is an important factor to consider. Let's get started with some simple and effective tips on how to make websites load faster. 1. Minimize HTTP requests. Every time your website loads, there are a number of HTTP requests that occur. Each request affects the loading time of your website, so try to keep them to a minimum. 2. Compress your content. Compressing your content is one of the easiest and fastest ways to reduce the file sizes of your website's files and images. 3. Optimize your images. Optimizing your website's images is one of the most important things you can do to improve its loading speed. 4. Enable caching. Caching can store all of the data from the last time your user visited the website and make it loading time faster for returning visitors. 5. Choose a Content Delivery Network, CDN. A CDN stores a copy of your website and sends it to users from the closest geographical location. 6. Keep code clean. Make sure your website's code is as clean as possible to reduce load times. 7. Minify JavaScript and CSS. JavaScript and CSS are two code languages that are used to create and modify websites. Minifying them reduces the size of the scripts and styles and makes the website load faster. 8. Reduce your redirects. Redirects are an important tool for websites, but they increase loading times. Aim to reduce your redirects as much as possible. 9. Improve server response time. A website's server response time is the amount of time it takes for a browser to receive a response from a web server. 10. Leverage browser caching. Browsers cache information from websites to reduce the amount of information it needs to download. Leverage browser caching to make sure your website loads faster for repeat visitors. And there you have it. 10 easy tips to help you make your website faster. Now that you know these tricks, it's time to get out there and make your website as fast as can be. Thanks for watching.